Good evening, friends. In the last class, we had started interest on drawing, and I had bifurcated into two parts. One is the regular drawing and irregular drawing. We had started with irregular drawings. Whenever the partner is withdrawing irregular amounts, that is not similar amounts, and whenever the time gap between two drawings is not same, we call it as irregular drawings, and we adopt to product method whenever there is irregular drawings. I had given you a very basic example of product method. I had explained the logic behind the formula. The formula for interest on drawing under product method is total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12 is the formula, and we had discussed a very small problem. If you have not seen that one, you could please go and see that particular video. In this class, we are going to continue our interest on drawings, and I have dedicated some questions. I have prepared some questions for our practice only. I am not going to solve about 20-30 problems. I am going to solve about only 2 or 3 problems, but it will cover the entire syllabus so that you can also revise it fast. Now, the first problem that we are going to discuss is interest on drawings under product method. Please have a look at this problem. Anand and Aradhana were partners carrying on the business of partnership. Partnership deed provided interest on drawings at 12% per annum. This particular 12% per annum is important. Their drawings during the year 21-22 were as follows. Anand's drawing 1st April, 15th July, 31st October, 1st January, 15th February and 31st March. Now, can you see that it is not done in regular thing? It is not the same time interval. It is not like first of every month, middle of every month or first of every quarter. So it is different, and the amounts also are different. So we'll have to adopt product method only. Since they have not told which method, you can always understand that it is under product method. Now the amount is also different. Now I have given two partners and I have given for both so that we will be able to practice. One word of caution is, here they have told for the 31st March 2022, and here they have told 21-22. Here they have not told the year, but still in format you are required to write the year properly and date properly. For our convenience, I have kept the data so that you can see properly. This is about Anand's drawings only. Now, how do we start the problem? It is very simple. First, we'll write calculation of interest on drawings. Under which method? Under product method. For the year ended 31/3/22. Alright, I am talking about Anand's drawings. Now what are all the column numbers? Serial number, then date of drawing, then amount of drawing. Please be careful, you should definitely write the word rupees over here. Then number of outstanding months. What is this number of outstanding months? It is the time gap from the date of drawing to year end. Number of outstanding months. This number of outstanding months is written differently by different teachers. Everything is correct, but however the PU board is following this particular wordings, so please follow this one. Number of outstanding months, and last one will be product. Last column will be product. Here also you should mention rupees. These two columns, that is the amount of drawing and the product column, should be having the word rupees. They should mention this rupees there. Then let us just copy the data. How many drawings are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 drawings are there, and if you can see the problem, everything has been done on the first of the month, middle of the month or end of the month. This is the way the PU board will test. So let us note down the date of drawings. First one is 1st April. I'm talking about 21-22, right? So you should write 1st April 21. You should write the year, though they have not given in the question. Second one is 15th July. July is 7th month. 15/7/21. Then 31st October. October is 10th month. 21. Then 1st January 1/1/22. Please be careful when you are writing this one. Whenever they give January, please be careful. The year will change. Then 15th of February 22, then 31st March 22. This is the dates of drawing. Then what is the amount of drawing? It is 2300, then it is rupees 4000, then it is 7200, then it is 4800, then 2000, and the last one is 1000. This is the amount of drawing. Now, number of outstanding months, this is basically the time gap. Time gap from where to where? From date of drawing to 31st March. In our case, it is up to 31st March 2022. Now, let us calculate the number of outstanding months. Date of drawing of the first one is 1st April 21 up to 31/3/22. It will be 12 months. Then 15/7/21 to 31/3/22. Let us calculate. Now 15 days of July, you should add August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 8 months plus 0.5 months, because 15 days of July, 8.5 months. Then 31st of October to 31st of March 2022, it will become, you should not calculate the October month because it is done on the last day of October. You should start counting from the month of November. It will be November, December, January, February, March, 5 months. Then from 1st January to 31st March, you should count the month of January because this is done on the first day of the month. So it will be 3 months. Then 15th February to 31st March, it will be 1.5 months. How? 15 days of February plus March month, 1.5 months. Then 31st March only it is drawn. It is on the last day of the year. So there is no number of outstanding months for the last one. So this is the number of outstanding months. Since we have the data, I will just scroll down so that we'll be able to do. Now take your calculator. Let us calculate the total product. Total product will be this column into this column. So what will this be? 2300 into 12, which is equals to 27,600. Then 4000 into 8.5, which is equals to 34,000. Then please do along with me, 7,200 into 5 is equals to 36,000. Then 4,800 into 3 is equals to 14,400. Then 2,000 into 1.5 is equals to 3,000. And the last one will be 0. Now what is the total product we'll have to see? What is the total product we'll have to see? Total product will be sum of all these. So let us start. 27,600 plus 34,000 plus 36,000 plus 14,400 plus 3,000, which will come to rupees 1,15,000. This is the total product. On this, we will have to calculate the interest. How do we calculate? Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is equals to total product into rate upon 100. Listen, many teachers teach this as rate of interest, but I prefer to write rate by 100 because in PU board or any other educational board, this by 100, many students miss out to write this denominator by 100. They'll just write 14% and that is not considered good by the evaluator. So many students lose marks over here. So to consciously write divided by 100, I am writing it as rate by 100. It is an accepted formula into 1 by 12. Now what is the total product? We know the total product is 1,15,000. Let us start substituting. Rupees 1,15,000 into rate was 12%, 12 upon 100 into 1 by 12. For God's sake, don't simplify it off by cancelling like this. You please write the entire formula. Now it will become 1,15,000 into 12% into 1 by 12. It will become rupees 1,150. It will become 1,150. Total interest is 1,150. Now, do we stop the problem here? No, we'll have to write one concluding statement. If you do not write the concluding statement, you may lose marks. So please write the concluding statement. Write this. This is the concluding statement. Interest on Anand's drawings under product method is equals to rupees. Many students do not write rupees over here and lose marks, so please write rupees once again, rupees 1,150. This is the entire problem. You have seen this is very easy. What we'll have to do is we'll have to take the date of drawing, amount of drawing, number of outstanding months will be from the date of drawing to the year end. They would have given the year end. Then we'll have to multiply the amount of drawing with number of outstanding months. We'll get the product, and we'll have to total. We'll have to sum up the products. It will become total product, and then we'll have to substitute the formula. Interest on drawings under product method is calculated by using the formula total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. Those who want to understand the logic behind this, I have prepared a separate video for this. Please see that video, and this is the way we do it. We'll do the other partners interest on drawing in the next video. If you like our video, please do share and subscribe our video and our channel so that many students are benefited. Thank you.